Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import files such as CSV files, PDF documents, and Word files directly into Notion quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to move your spreadsheets, reports, or notes into one organized workspace, this tutorial will help you do exactly that. Let's get started. Once you're inside Notion on your desktop or browser, look at the top right corner of your workspace. You'll see the three-dot menu, which opens additional options. Click on it and then select Import. This is where you can bring content from other platforms and file types directly into your Notion workspace. First, let's talk about importing a CSV file. CSV files are commonly used for spreadsheets and data exports from applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Inside the Import menu, choose CSV. Then browse your computer and select the file you want to upload. After selecting the file, click Import. Notion will automatically convert the CSV into a database table. Your rows, columns, headers, numbers, and dates will all be organized into an interactive format. One of the biggest advantages here is flexibility. Instead of working with a static spreadsheet, you can now sort, filter, group, and customize your data directly inside Notion. This makes project tracking, client management, and data organization much more efficient. Now let's move on to importing PDF files. If you have research papers, invoices, presentations, manuals, or any reference documents saved as PDFs, Notion makes it simple to keep them all in one place. Go back to the Import menu and choose PDF. Upload your file and confirm the import. Once uploaded, the PDF will appear as an embedded document inside your workspace. You can scroll through it, reference important information, and easily share it with your team or collaborators without switching between apps. This is especially useful for keeping all your important resources connected to your projects and notes. Now, finally, let's look at importing Word documents. If you've written meeting notes, reports, plans, or drafts in Microsoft Word, you can quickly transfer them into Notion as editable pages. Open the Import menu again and choose Word, select your .docx file, and click Import. Notion will convert the document into a fully editable page. From there, you can format the content to add links, organize sections, and collaborate with others in real time. This is a great way to centralize your work and avoid constantly switching between different software tools. Now, keep in mind that some formatting may look slightly different after importing, especially with larger or more complex files, but that's completely normal. Notion gives you plenty of options to reorganize and clean up your content afterward. And that's it. As you can see, importing files into Notion is a simple process that can save you time and help you build a more organized workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you'd like to see more practical Notion tips and database tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.